एक किसी बहुत ही महान व्यक्ति ने कहा है, why have apps when you can have kebabs? I mean kebabs. Hi guys, I am Manata and today I'm gonna be trying out one of Chef Gaurav Chawla's recipes, which is mushroom Galouti Kebabs, and this is the best vegetarian dish that I've made till date. So what are we waiting for? Come on, let's try it out. First of all, you need some chopped mushrooms, cumin seeds, ginger and green chilies. Now take a pan and add some oil in it. Now roast some cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start to crackle, add some green chilies and ginger. Then add your chopped mushrooms and let them cook till they turn golden brown. When your mushrooms start looking something like this, turn off the gas and put it in a blender and make a semi-paste of it. Now add in some roasted cashew nuts to give it a creamy texture to your kebabs. Blend it into a paste. You can also add some water while blending it. Now place your kebab paste in a bowl and add all the spices. Once that is done, add 1 tablespoon of rose water, few strands of saffron and 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Mix it well and then add 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour to bind the mixture together. And now comes my favorite part of the recipe. Just light a coal and place it in a bowl between the mixture and pour some desi ghee over it.
ये क्या होता है? घर में आग लग जाएगी.
We do this to give a smoky flavor to our kebabs. Now you can totally avoid this if you don't have coal at home right now, or your parents are skeptical just like mine. Now mix it once again and let it rest in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Now the kebabs are ready to be cooked. Just take a small amount of the mixture in your hand and make small balls from it. Shallow fry them in some oil until they turn golden brown. And your kebabs are ready. Serve them hot with some mint sauce, and I'm sure your parents won't be so skeptical the next time you cook them. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.